Hey guys, this is Monica Suri. Welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about basic pattern draping and some easy tips for a beginner. So let's get started. First of all, you know about draping pattern designs. Dress designers often use a flat pattern making and draping technique for a dress design. The draping pattern design is the art of wrapping a fabric around the desired from the fastening into the particular shape. While flat pattern making involves shaping a piece of fabric and according to the curve of a human figure. The function of pattern making is between production and design, and here's the sketch of interpretant into the garment and design. I have created some easy tips for draping. When you start draping, you can remember, prepare your dress from take proper measurement to keep the draping even. Second, have a sketch of photograph to get an idea of how want to design the fabric, and it will be helpful for less experienced designer. Third is better start with a muslin to avoid wastage of quality fabric. Through you need to understand that different types of fabric and show different behavior. Make sure the muslin weight is closer to that of the fabric and that you are using. Fourth, make your foundation piece, and this part can be avoided. You are working with a sturdy fabric. Start pinning and sewing the fabric to the foundation piece and using the contrasting thread. Cut off extra fabric and hide the raw edges and flat pattern making. These are the basic tips. Always remember when you can draping any style. Now we discuss about the process of draping technique. Draping at first started with a designer taking a normal basic dress and putting it on a dressmaker's model. Already the garment was sewing before starting draping. While stitching the garment and course shape and fit and should be maintained properly to dress up the model perfect. The next technique is the designer take piece of fabric, pins required material before starting draping. Pin them to the garment where the drape is preferred, which will provide the finished garment shape. Most of the time, the pin fabric were not the same as the fabric which was used on the final garment, but they will be using comparable priceless material. The reason is that the fabric which was pinned on the garment will frequently be slashing or marked on while the design process is going. It can be costly with well cloth. After the designer has made the garment operating the way that model requested, the model will be create final marks on the fabric to explain where the slash and sewing should be made on the concluded garment, and then the fabric piece will be removed. Designer will take the piece and trace them on the paper to create a pattern for the final garment. This will be used to guide for making the garment, so it is so important for the designer to make detailed mark on the performed fabric. Guys, you have to know about mechanism of draping. Designer have to consider lot of aspects, and when they are draping the fabrics, the material of GSM of fabric can significantly and modified way it drape on the garment. The material like chiffon, satin and silk are rather usually considered in drape clothing. Some other material can also be used as well. More inflexible fabric are unsuitable for the draping effect. However, most of the designer would have a preference to experiment with fabric to check how they hang. There are some specific way to check the fabric draping mode. This can be over either by identifying the thickness and stiffness of a fabric sample or method of using a tool called as a drape meter. Drape meter was used to determine a drape sufficient and contained a number from 0 to 100 and written format. For example, satin and muslin cloth have good draping property than twill hosiery. Thanks for watching this information. Please like, subscribe my channel. Then you can check it out my new vlog and entertaining videos. Thanks. Bye bye.